Hi, if you've gotten this far, you've probably watched all the frequently asked questions stuff, which is good, but we're behind the scenes here at the firm because we want to give you the real inside scoop. These are the should ask questions. These are the questions that even our savviest clients don't know to ask. But we know as lawyers that focus our practice on trusted estates planning and do a lot of work for sophisticated families, the stuff that you don't know to ask, and that's what we're going to do right now. How do I make sure that my wishes get carried out? It's really important. It's something that a lot of law firms don't pay attention to. It's something that a lot of clients don't pay attention to. We do a number of things that you want to make sure that your advisors do. For example, if a child brings you to your estate planning appointment, or you're a child taking your parent to an estate planning appointment, it's vitally important that the attorney have the ability to meet with the person who's doing their estate planning without anybody else present. Otherwise, that could be used to overturn your planning. It could be suggested that that person brought you and was using undue influence, would invalidate your plan. What if you've gotten an early diagnosis of Alzheimer's or dementia? Well, it's entirely possible that you have all the cognitive abilities to do your estate planning and to revise your will, but you're going to want to make sure that you obtain and that the lawyer keeps in the file the opinion of a physician or a psychologist, a psychiatrist, or a neurologist that says that you have the ability to do those things. One of the things that we do is that every will signing, since the very first will I ever signed, I always ask the client a series of questions to document in the file that they had testamentary capacity, that they're not under the influence of drugs and alcohol, that nobody is forcing them or pressuring them into doing that. We document that you have the ability to do the document, and there's nothing present that would invalidate it. So very savvy, very sophisticated families and people doing sophisticated estate planning make sure that they take certain steps and that their lawyer takes certain steps to prevent the will from being successfully challenged. What about this? What about a no contest clause? More on that later. Thank you. If you liked that video, if you enjoyed it, if you found value in it, if it gave you information you didn't know about before, then you're going to want to see the other videos. We have some of the most frequently asked questions that clients ask lawyers on the topic of sophisticated estate planning and estate planning for families that have family-owned businesses and family-owned vacation homes. If you'd like a lot more, including the questions that you should be asking and maybe don't even know to ask, but that we as lawyers know you should be asking, then just sign up, click on the link below, and we're going to send you a ton more videos. Frequently asked questions that you need to know the answers to succeed as a family in your sophisticated estate planning, and maybe more importantly, the should ask questions, the questions that you don't even know that you should be asking. Thanks again. Click on that link and enjoy.